Hi Cherokee Trail teachers, this video is to help you learn how to navigate Naviance and upload a letter of recommendation or complete a form if necessary as a recommendation for our seniors who are applying to college. So to start, first you need to log on to your Naviance account. It is not linked to your Active Directory, so you do need to go to the Naviance website. And if you just type in succeed.naviance.com, and it will come up for you that way. So we're going to go there, and then the account you need to type in Cherokee Trail, not Cherokee Trail High School, and no space, just Cherokee Trail, your username and your password, and then hit sign in. And once you have signed in, then your screen will look like this. Yours may look different as a teacher, but you're going to find the student who you want to upload a letter of recommendation for. We are going to upload one for Felix the Cougar today. So when you go to that student's page, then they may have a picture, they may not. And from here, where you need to go is to eDocs. So you're going to click on eDocs, and then your screen should look like this. And up here, it's going to take you just to general student details. Where you want to go is to prepare. So we're going to click on prepare. And then from here, you'll be working under teacher documents. So when you click on teacher documents, it will then give you a choice of if you want to upload a file or prepare a form. And which you do will be based off of what the student said they needed on their green letter of recommendation request form that they give you. You may have to do both of these. Some schools will require a letter, whereas others may require the NACAC form or the Common Application form. So we'll start by doing prepare a form. We are going to select the Common App Teacher Evaluation and then click prepare form. And then from here, you'll go ahead and just answer these questions. And you do also need a letter along with the Common Application, so just remember that as well. So you'll go through and complete the questions. One thing you can see up here is you can do this for all applications, or you can just choose. So maybe you only need to do it for the University of Colorado Boulder, so you can do just CU Boulder. Or if they're all accepting the Common App and the student has asked for this for all of them, you can do all applications to save yourself some time. And then when you're finished, you will hit save. The other thing that you may need to do is to upload an original letter. So for that, you will click Upload a File. And then here, once again, you can choose all applications or choose just the school. A rule of thumb here, some teachers will write just a more general letter of recommendation. If it's a selective, particularly if it's a highly selective school, we would like you to personalize that letter. There's another video you can watch about letters for selective and highly selective schools. So in this instance, we're going to act as though Felix the Cougar is applying to Harvard. So for this school, we have actually personalized the letter to use the name Harvard in it and talk specifically about that. So in that case, you would do the specific school. If they're applying, say, Colorado State University and CU Boulder, and that's it, then you can go ahead and do all applications. So once you've done that, then you'll choose letter of recommendation. And then you're going to pull up in here where it is. So I just went ahead and attached my letter that I pulled up out of my documents. We do recommend that you change the letter from a Word doc to a PDF as well, just because it helps with formatting. If you have it fit to one page, someone else's computer may stretch that to 2 pages. So making a PDF ensures that it just stays nice and neat and clean for you. And then you'll hit Upload File. And you will see that it's pending as it uploads. And once your letter is uploaded, then when you go in here, you will see that it shows that letter is there. Now you can look at it if you want to check it to make sure it's the right letter, which we highly suggest you do, or maybe you ended up rewriting that letter before the student applied and you need to replace it, you could do that. There shouldn't be any reason for you to delete it, but if need be, you can do that. So once again, we recommend that you do go ahead and hit View to make sure that you've attached the correct student's letter to the correct student's account. So once you click View, then it'll show up in the bottom left corner and you can open it up. This is just a blank letter of recommendation, but you can check to make sure that everything looks good because that is what colleges will see when they open up your letter. Once you have uploaded everything here or completed any of the forms you need to do, then you are all set and finished with your responsibilities as far as the recommendations. And as always, we just appreciate the time that you're taking to help students attend college and be accepted to college by completing these recommendations. If you have any questions about this or if you get stuck with Naviance, please do not hesitate to call us in postgrad. We're at extension 61981. Thank you.